In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a brake bleed procedure on this Volkswagen TDI Jetta wagon. Let's get into it. You can see next to the battery, the brake fluid reservoir. Just want to take a rag, just wipe off the cap. We can loosen the top, take the cap off. Move that to the side. And with a fluid transfer pump, you want to extract as much fluid as you can. All right, that's good. Now, using the correct type of brake fluid, this vehicle requires .4. It says right on the master cylinder reservoir. We're going to use a funnel and pour it in. Make sure it's a clean funnel. You want to fill that up. That's good. And take the cap, just wipe that off with a rag. Get that lined up. And snug that down. Now we're going to bleed the brakes at each wheel, starting with the left front or driver's side front. Then you're going to go to the right front. From there, you're going to go to the rear. You're going to go to the left rear first, and then finally the right rear. In the event that you are doing an ABS bleed or you had the master cylinder reservoir empty or dry, you're going to do both front wheels together. You're going to start with the fronts, bleed those together, close those up, and then you're going to do the rears together. And you're going to do that 5 times each, making sure you check the fluid level in between. Now you want to raise and support the vehicle, take all 4 wheels off. We're starting on the left front. I'm going to take this cap off the bleeder screw. Use a 11mm wrench over the bleeder screw, and then I'm going to use a tube just to keep it clean. With an assistant in the vehicle, I'm going to have them go ahead and pump the brake pedal slowly. Go ahead and pump it like 3 to 5 times. And then hold it. Open the bleeder screw. You can see some fluid, some air. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Open it up again. A little more bubbles. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. No bubbles that time. We'll do it one more time. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Oh, a lot of bubbles. We're going to keep doing that. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Want to get through those bubbles. If you didn't have any bubbles, you could stop there and move on. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Yeah, less bubbles. That's good. We'll do it one more time. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. No bubbles that time. Fluid's clean. Snug that down. Take this off. And we'll snug that. You can let up. Put the cap on. And move on to the next wheel, which would be the right front. And the procedure is going to be the same as on the driver's side. And take the cap off. Just move that to the side. And using a clean funnel, top this off. And take the cap, just wipe that off with a rag. Get that lined up. And snug that down. Now we're at the left rear wheel. Take the cap off the bleeder screw. It's on the back side of the caliper right here. A little bit tricky to get to. Pop that off. Put your wrench on the bleeder. 11mm wrench. And again, I'm just going to use a hose just to keep it a little bit clean. Have the assistant pump. Go ahead and pump the pedal. And then hold it. While they're holding it, open it up. All right, and close it up. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. Open that up. There's some clean fluid. Close it up. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. Open that up. Close it. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. All right, open, close it. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. All right, that looks pretty good. No air bubbles. Fluid's clean. Close it up. Take the hose off. Make sure you snug that down. Put the cap on. Use a little brake parts cleaner. And then you can do the same procedure on the right rear wheel. And take the cap off. Just move that to the side. And using a clean funnel, top this off. And take the cap, just wipe that off with a rag. Get that lined up. And snug that down. And you can reinstall the wheels, lower the vehicle down, torque those lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.